Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Teresa and today I have come with a wrap dress tutorial. So shout out to Mami Kasewa and Jessica Ibrahim for requesting for this pattern tutorial. And for today I have come with the wrap dress tutorial for a previous video that I've already made on this channel for this dress. And for this same pattern you can make two dresses. So you can either make this one or you can make this dress. So I'll be showing you how to modify the pattern to make the two styles. So for this pattern paper, I do not have actual pattern paper, so I used pages from an old book and I combined them together using some elastic. So it was as simple as that. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up, like this video, comment, and if you do have other tutorials that you want me to try, other patterns that you want me to make on this channel, just let me know in the comments or send me a message on Instagram on this Instagram handle. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into work. Bye.
These are the measurements that I'll be using. So the first step is drawing the center front line from the shoulder line all the way to the end of the pattern. The next step is drawing the shoulder line, and on this line I'll be marking half of the neck width, that is 8 centimeters, and the shoulder slope, that is 10 centimeters. And from that point I'm going down with 1.5 centimeters and I'm drawing the shoulder slope. The next thing is marking my vertical measurements. So this is from the shoulder line to the upper bust, which is 20 centimeters, and from the upper bust to the waist another 20 centimeters, and from the waist to the hip line it's 20 centimeters. The next step is I am drawing that line, and this line is the same measurements with the shoulder line, that is 18 centimeters. And I'm joining it to the shoulder slope. I'll be marking half of that line, and from that point I'll go inwards with 2 centimeters. And from my upper bust line I'm going to be drawing the measurement, that is 20 centimeters, that is a quarter of the round measurement, which is 80 centimeters. And I'm going to be drawing the armhole curve using my French curve. So the next step is drawing the waistline, that is 16.75 centimeters. And for the hip line I'm going to be marking 26 centimeters. And using my French curve I'm going to be joining these 2 points, upper bust line and the waistline. And for my knee circumference I have 61 centimeters, and a quarter of that is 16.75 centimeters, which I have drawn there. And I'll be joining my waistline and my hip line, and my hip line to my knee line. The next step is using my French curve. I'm going to be flattening out that corner that I created there, just to give it a nice round shape. So the next step is adding another pattern paper so that I can make the wrap part of the dress. So I'm going to be attaching that using some sellotape. I'm going to be extending my waistline by 16.75 centimeters. And from my neckline, I'm going to be going down by 8 centimeters, and I'm marking that, and I'm going to be joining that point to the line that I extended of the waist to create the wrap part of the top. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be extending the line from the waist to the knee line. Using my French curve, I'm going to be drawing that line out and finishing it off with a straight ruler. So that's about it with this wrap top pattern. I'll be showing you different ways to modify it depending with what you want to make. So right now I'm adding the part of the facing. You can skip this part if you like. So I'll be folding this part for the facing. And that's pattern number 1. So for the next step, if you like, you can cut this wrap dress into 2 such that you have the wrap top and the bodycon skirt with the wrap side. This is the same one with the dress that I have already made on this channel, and I have put the link in the description box. So this is the complete pattern of the wrap top. And you can add a piece like I'm doing right there if you want to be extra, like what I'm doing right now, such that when you fold your pattern, it will be complete. You can add that small piece, but it doesn't really make much of a difference. The wrap top pattern is complete. And that is the facing. You can fold it inwards, but when you cut, you open it up and then you cut your fabric. And for the skirt, you can modify the skirt 2 ways. You can make the wrap skirt smaller if you want by folding it inside, like what I am doing right now, if you wanted to fold some more. And if you want to make a bodycon skirt, you can just fold that wrap part and put it inside, and there you have it. You have a bodycon skirt now. So this is the complete pattern of the dress that is also on my channel. That is a dress of a wrap top and a bodycon skirt. So next I'm going to be modifying this wrap top so that I can show you how I made the pattern for the dress that I already put on my channel. So the neck is starting at that point, and I've just gone down by 9 centimeters, and I'm extending right now the armhole curve. And from that point, I'm going to be joining it to the wrap part of the top. And you cut this pattern by following along the line that I drew using the pencil. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment and like this video. If you have other tutorials that you want me to try, just let me know in the comment section. Bye for now.